Morning guys, September 20th, 2023. This is an area I got a call from a lady I've worked for a bunch of times. She's got an ice machine, standalone ice machine that's got an issue. I guess she tried pulling it out and there's a hose that drains off the back of it. I guess it was maybe too short and it popped off from what she said, but might have to extend the hose out so we can pull this unit out and push it back in without an issue with the hose popping off. Extend the hose, and also she got an issue with the toilet. I guess that she put some blue tablets in the toilet. It's got one of them one-piece toilets, and I guess the cleaning lady put some blue tablets. Now she's noticed blue stains on the floor, so most likely it's one of those funnel waxes that's in there, and they're notorious for leaking. Them funnel waxes, I don't use them. What happens is you put the funnel wax in. Usually it's alright when you first put it in, but after a while you start sitting on the toilet, and every time you sit on the toilet it moves back a little bit, and then if that funnel wax isn't exactly in the right spot, the toilet will hit that funnel wax and splash out. So it's a stupid design. I don't know why they ever come up with that. It's always best just to dump the toilet right into the pipe. What do you need the funnel wax for? What does it do? Nothing. Stupid. Nothing but problems. I never use them funnel waxes. If I get one that's got that, I cut it out with scissors. Just dump the toilet into the pipe. Why would you want to put an interference between the toilet and the pipe? I mean, it don't make any sense. None. There's some flippin' dumb engineer trying to figure out shit that, you know, reinvent the wheel when it's fine. Flippin' dum-dums. Alright, so we reconnected this. We just gotta extend the base downstairs. I taped it here. And we'll just extend it.
How short is it down there?
It's gonna be, I'll just have to add a piece of hose. Be alright.
It's not much.
No. Yeah, you don't want to bend it. Well, don't give you a lot of slack there. You gotta cut me some flipping slack. Huh? Let me see.
Oh, God.
I'm just gonna tape that up. It went in there snug, and then I can cut my piece. It goes right in that drain over there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a drain here for the... I just gotta tape this up, and I can clip this. It won't leak. That will not leak. That's tight. We're gonna just tape it just to be safe, but it'll be fine. It won't leak. Down in a flipping crawl space anyway, even if it did, but it's not going to. That's really tight on there. I don't have that size tubing. Electrical staples, I just use a couple. Just so it don't move on me. Just dump that in the drain. It's not gonna go nowhere. Let's get it right there. Put a couple of clips on there and he's good to go. Yeah, look at the blue stain there. Crazy. I gotta get my knee pads anyway. Ah, that's really dark. She's putting them blue tablets in there and you can see it along the, it's gonna be leaking. It's a one-piece toilet, so that's not an issue. Papa Smurf pissing on the floor here. Papa Smurf. This thing's getting old. I gotta get a new pump. Getting to be hard to move. These pumps start to get hard to move. You gotta get a new one. That stuff really shouldn't put that in there. It gets slime in there. Ruin the flush valve. Not a good idea. Not a good idea. I'm gonna put a put a new wax on. Everybody goes, what looks nice doesn't mean it's good. Let's see what we got here. Well, she's loose as a goose, Mama. She's loose as a goose, Mama. She's loose as a goose. I got an ant hanging around here. I'm gonna put a new wax anyway. Just to be safe. Ah, bitch. Oh, there. Yeah, she's just loose. Probably just loose as a goose. I'm gonna put a new one anyway. She's loose as a goose, Mom. She's loose as a goose. Should have probably just tightened it maybe, but we'll pull the old wax out, put a new wax in there, clean it up. Wow, just got some water happening there. Wow, no funnel wax, just loose. Wow, she's a nasty one, Mom. Wow. You've been leaking for a while. Yeah, don't use them pucks.
I asked them not to do that.
Yeah, definitely not. It's good. Now that's the theory. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Where's my?
Is that
This is my
stuff
needle.
still in there? I mean, is there? No.
Well, I'm gonna clean it, but I'm gonna.
Oh wow, that's a mess. That's
Yeah, we're gonna take the wax out and give it a cleaning. But we'll clean it the best I can. But
That's fine. Thank you so much, Sue. This is a wonder.
the only problem with this type of toilet is you really can't it's hard to see this wax right here. That's acting like a funnel. It's not good. And she's just would have probably been able to just tighten it. Would have been all right, but seeing I got it off, I will put a new wax. A new wax in there. The bolt should be fine. Put a new wax in there and call it good. That's what I like to put new bolts. Different style. Set fast. This should be good. These are better. And put my pen down here. My screwdriver on this side. That's where I want to be with it if I can. Alright. I got a regular wax, not a jumbo. This one could use a regular wax because I don't need as much height. The jumbo ones are if you need if you got a 4-inch pipe, you really need the jumbo ones. But this is a 3-inch. If I can. Look at that shit. Yeehaw, Mama. Perfect. Right on there. Yeehaw. I got lucky. Gotta get lucky once in a while. This has got a top and a bottom on it, this side up. I really got longer. I got some 3-inch ones if I need them in the truck. This will work. They make 2 1/4 and 3-inch quick set bolts like that. So I could have used the bigger ones if I wanted. The 3-inch ones would have worked out good. Crazy. goes for a 9/16. I use this screwdriver, nut driver thing because I don't want to. I don't want to over tighten it and break the toilet. So this is, I got a good feel for it. I know how tight it's gonna be and whatnot now. I can get a good feel for it with this without breaking the toilet. It's gonna be tight. It doesn't want to be overwhelming, but it wants to be tight. Let that set for a minute and then we'll retighten them a little bit. Well, if the wax is in a cold truck, you gotta heat it, like in hot water. That's a little tech tip, but in the summer you don't need to. Should be good. It's in the middle of the summer here, so the wax is soft. Flush bucket on it, American Standard, 2007. Alright, this should flush. That's a high water usage toilet, these American Standards. No leaks.